Hey, Dan Lawson here with AB Homes. We specialize in rural custom construction in Suffolk and the surrounding areas, and we would love to talk to you about building a new home for you this year. So one of the questions we get over and over again is, can you build on a piece of land that I already own? Short answer to that is yes, we can, and we would love to. So if you already own a piece of land, or if you're looking at buying a piece of land in Suffolk, we can build on it. So AB Homes, we always have land to build custom homes on, so we can provide you with a lot. If you already own your own piece of land, we can help you with that process as well. If you are looking at a piece of land and you haven't pulled the trigger on it yet, we'd love to talk to you before you do it, because we have done this for years and we know the nuances to look at when you're buying a piece of land. We can save you a lot of money and keep you from making a horrible mistake if you get us involved early. We build in all areas of Suffolk. We can build in northern Suffolk, we can build in Whaleyville, we can build in Holland, we can build in central Suffolk. If it's in Suffolk, we got you. We're gonna walk you through the entire process. We're gonna do a site visit. We're gonna kind of check out where the driveway needs to go. Maybe you have an idea where you want the driveway. We need to shoot the elevation on there to make sure that we're not putting the home in a hole somewhere and that we've got good drainage for the property. We walk you through that entire process. You pick out a floor plan, and that floor plan is 100% customizable. If you wanna upgrade flooring, upgrade cabinets, change the floor plan, whatever you wanna do, we're open to it. When you're building on a piece of raw land, there are so many things to consider, especially if you're in the country versus in the city. You know, you gotta make sure that the land perks. You gotta make sure that you can put a septic on there and a well. Make sure that you've got no wetlands, you can't build in those. So AB Homes takes care of all that. We realize and understand that you as a homeowner probably have not built as many houses as we have. We're gonna help you through that. We're gonna take the burden off of you so you can do your job, take care of your family, let us worry about the house building. So if you'd like to learn more about AB Homes and the custom construction that we do, we would love the opportunity to talk to you. You can find us on the web at abhomesva.com. Call me directly on my cell at 757-435-9900. We would love the chance to sit down with you and talk about how we can build your dreams in your new home.